Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will discuss about what is horizontal rule or what is horizontal tag in HTML5. Horizontal, the HR tag is used to create a horizontal rule or a horizontal tag on the web page. It is an empty tag because there is no ending tag, ending line or ending tag for HR tag. The browser start a horizontal rule from a new line and any text that follow this tag is also displayed in a new line. So let's start up some practical work. First we go our web page and we write some, go to our web page and refresh it. And the guys, if we want that this is a body text, and if we want to draw a horizontal line after a body text, so we use the HR tags. So we use a body tag. This is our body and this is body text, and we write a HR tag to create a horizontal line after body text. And after save it, we go to our web page and refresh our refresh or reload our page, and you will see a horizontal line create after our body text. So this is a way so we create a horizontal line in our web page.